This is just showing the installation of the Tekonsha T-One trailer lighting kit for the 2021 Sienna. So if you have the spare tire version of the Sienna, you take that spare tire out. Apparently it's a little trickier if you don't have the spare tire version to get at this, but the point is that Toyota's already got the wiring just waiting here, a connector just waiting. You take your T1 kit, plug the cable in to that connector, put the ground wire onto this existing bolt with I think it's a 6mm nut, roughing up the paint a little so it's a good ground, and then stick the little controller box wherever it's convenient with the self-sticky tape. I will run the plug down through this grommet when I've installed the trailer hitch itself, but easy as pie.